300 LED solar path lights that you can put anywhere, down on the floor, on a garage area, above a shed, above a house door, etc., etc. Let's get a nice close-up look at what you get inside. We're going to try to demonstrate on the table and then go outside at nighttime and show you how this works. You get a user's manual, the hardware, a nice wide panel, the solar sensor, the solar panel, the 2 screw holes, the on and off switch that has 3 modes. When you press it on for the first time, you're going to see a flash. If you want to see it work, you put your hand over the unit, senses motion, it comes on 100% to its brightness for 20 seconds, then will shut off. Now, once it shuts off, you got a second mode. You hit it again, it goes 2 flashes. It'll go on dim at night, and when it senses motion, it'll brighten up for 20 seconds, then go back to the dim mode. If you press the button again, it'll blink 3 times, and this will stay on at a certain level of light, 50% all night long, dusk to dawn. When there is sun, it's going to shut off. You need 2 full days in order to charge this unit. So let's go hook this up. I got a lot of sun here. I want this to be on 1, 2, 3, dusk to dawn. I'm going to take a screw. I'm going to place this right about here where my other 2 are at. I'm going to lock it into place. I'm going to put my other one here. I'm going to put this on number 2. 1, 2. Here's the light. You can see how nice and bright it is being on. It will stay on all night long, dusk to dawn. As it senses motion, it will come on, stay lit, and then will dim down.